Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the chemical properties of dinitrogen, and now we are going to talk about the uses of dinitrogen. So what are those uses? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, now in this topic I'm going to talk about the uses of dinitrogen. So starting with the first one, that is dinitrogen provides inert atmosphere in certain metallurgical operations. Obviously we understand that is whenever the metallurgical operation is been done, obviously it is in the presence of oxygen, so therefore the metal should not get oxidized. So that's the reason we are using that is dinitrogen, because it provides a condition which is basically inert, and that's the reason that the further oxidation of that particular metal is not being done, and that is the reason dinitrogen are used in metallurgical processes. And talking about the next one, that is it is used in gas filled thermometers which are used for measuring that is high temperature. And talking about the next one, that is it is used as refrigerant to preserve food items as well as the other biological matter that has a chance to get degrade. So that's the reason that the dinitrogen have a multiple use. So apart from this, dinitrogen is also used for the preparation of ammonia. That is what we have discussed in our previous lecture. It is also used in the preparation of nitric acid and so on. So talking about the other uses of dinitrogen, that is we understand that is the air consists of oxygen as well as it consists of dinitrogen, but the nitrogen, it dilutes the action of the oxygen, so as the combustion of the particular material is basically retarded if nitrogen is present. So therefore this has a various use, and that's it. This is what I want to talk about. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.